Garage door springs are essential to the smooth and safe operation of your garage door, yet they're often overlooked until they fail. In this guide, we share 5 critical tips to help you maintain your springs, prevent sudden breakdowns, and extend their lifespan. From lubrication and regular inspections to proper balancing and when to call a professional, these practical insights will keep your garage door functioning efficiently and safely. Whether you're a homeowner or a property manager in Houston, this post offers the knowledge you need to stay ahead of costly repairs and ensure your family's safety. Don't wait for a spring to snap, proactive care is key.